Hey Adam, it's Heidi over at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. I wanted to shoot a video for you on this truck here. It's a 2005 Chevy 3/4 ton diesel. It's got 160,000 miles on it. I just took it in on trade last night, so it is a little bit dirty. But I wanted to kind of show you the overall condition of this truck. It is in pretty darn good shape and has some nice eye appeal. The front of the truck, other than being dirty, is very straight. There's no dents or dings in the hood. The trim level on this is pretty high. It's got leather, bows, sunroof. It even has a DVD player in the back. It's got some nice aftermarket wheels on it and some pretty nice tires, so it does have, again, some nice eye appeal. All the panels on the passenger side are in excellent condition. Windows are tinted a little bit. Passenger side bed, just looking for anything that's real noticeable. There are some brush scratches. I don't even know if you can see those. The truck's pretty dirty. Tailgate's in really good shape. No dents, no dings. The bumper as well looks pretty good. Take a look in the back of the bed here. Does have a bed liner, no gooseneck. Does have custom tail lights as well. Driver's side, the bed looks to be in excellent condition. All of these panels are pretty straight. The only thing that I noticed is there is a little dent right there. I don't know if you can see that in the video. And again, the driver door and the front fender here, great shape. Let's take a look on the interior. So there is a tear in the seat, just from wear, but otherwise no funny smells. And again, this has not been detailed. Put that seat back a little bit. Center console, all the knobs are there. No broken knobs. 4-wheel drive functions. Again, this has heated seats, Bose sound. Very similar to how that Dodge was trimmed out. Sunroof and that DVD player too, which is factory. Full crew cab, so a little smaller than the Mega Cab, but still the full crew. And these seats look to be in pretty good shape. There is one little rip there. Looks like there was a repair done in that seat there. But overall, it is a very nice pickup for the model year. Again, it has 160,000 miles. Let me know if you're interested in this, Adam. Give us a call, 208-263-2138.